Never mind, I found it. It was hiding under the mouse trap, so I'm gonna go grab the meatball and put it over there. Shit, where's the meatball? Here it is. Not a very smart place to hide, little Mauser. You may have been hungry, but there's more places for food. Are you stuck again? Are you stuck to something? Oh, you're fine. Here, take the meatball. I'm not gonna hurt you. Here, just take the meatball. Eat it! Eat the meatball! Eat the meatball! Quit walking past it and eat it! This was not a very smart hiding place. Alright, bye, mouse. Hope you're alright. Come back for that meatball later. It's kinda cold, but it's still better than nothing, right? Right?